And now we can add another very important body actions. So if we say we transfer our foot weight from foot to foot, the next body action is going to be compression. So we compress. So what is compression? So you squeezing your shoulder blade in the middle of your shoulder towards your hip, and hip going up with that beautiful pendulum action. So you compress, imagine like you're pulling something down. And then your hips start to go back and around, and that's called rotation. So we compress and we rotate. Then after that we do what? We transfer our body weight, then we compress, and then we rotate. Transferring, compression, rotation. Transferring, compression, rotation. Now, rotation, it's always should be in a counterbalance. So what does it mean? So this is my shoulders, this is my hips. So this will be much more correct rotation rather than the whole body moving in one piece. So you keep your shoulder still in the same line. Now rotate your hips around. So in a way you feel like your shoulders counterbalancing your hips. Now bring to the neutral position and rotate around. So this will be a very good counter body rotation. So you have transferring, you have a compression, you have rotation. Transferring, compression, rotation. Transferring, compression, rotation. So we can use the same formula for forward and back. And most of the dances consist with the steps. You do steps forward and back, and there's all the body actions you can use. So we transfer our body weight, then we have a compression, rotation. Transfer body weight, compression, rotation. Transfer, compression, rotation. Transfer, compression, rotation. Now, if we add steps to it, so we can do many different dances, like let's focus on cha-cha and rumba, for example. So we can add one more action. It's going to be a step. So we go step, transfer, compression, rotation. That's going to be a very good formula for your rumba walk. And of course, you always want to start with the body action. So you start with the compression, rotation. Now you have your step. Now you have your transferring. And then again, compression, rotate, and that rotation bring the leg in. And now you have step, transferring, compression, rotation. So if you just follow this formula, it's almost like you can do any step with it. So let's do a little bit more complicated step. If I start from here, always start with your body action. So you have compression, rotation, then you have step, compression, rotation, step, compression, rotation, step, and of course, transferring, compression, rotation, step, transfer, compression, rotation. And if I do a little faster, you'll see. So people who understand this formula, the movement looks much more full, more interesting, and there is many, many things going on. And the same you can do for cha-cha-cha. So there is a step, there is a transferring, there is compression, rotation, or even for the samba. So there is a step, you transfer it, compression, rotation. So for example, in samba, some steps you're going to delay your transferring. In cha-cha, you maybe have a little bit stronger, more direct transferring of the weight. In rumba, you delay your transferring. So the way you transfer the weight, you can play with it. And what helps to control that? It's your body action. So ability to compress, rotate. So I have way more videos on my app about body action, but this is just like introductory about how to transfer body weight, how to do fundamental body actions.